Hello and welcome to the topic Halliday's Ideational Metafunction of Language with examples. Meaning of Ideational Metafunction. It refers to the way we organize, understand, and express our perceptions of the world and of our own consciousness. We move on to the next. Let's first understand the philosophy that guides ideational metafunction. Ideational metafunction helps us form ideas about our day-to-day experiences in life. Every day we see many things around us. We observe various shades of life. Don't we feel affected by them? Yes, we do. We continue. Philosophy of additional metafunction. We form our own opinion of what is happening around us. What is here to note is that an individual's forming an opinion about a certain aspect of life may not be necessarily the same as those of others. We continue. We all are different. We all have our own prism of thoughts. We all are blessed with different capability to observe. Thus, our own idea of the perception of the experiences we have gone through or we go through may differ from the rest. We have some more points. Without additional metafunction, our mind is vacant of any idea or perception of the world. Your ideas and perceptions of the same thing may differ from my ideas and perception of the world. We continue. So let's have an example to understand this concept. What's this? If you ask a layman this question, what will he answer? He will respond, it's an apple. If you further insist him to express more about this image, he may reply that an apple is eaten by a bite. But if you put the same question to a professional, will his answer be the same as that of a layman? Surely not. Then what do we get from this example? We derive that we form our own opinions and perceptions of the world. The same object, apple, is expressed in different terms of comprehension and observation. That is how we organize our thoughts and life. At the end, what do we get? Is that additional metafunction is an essential component of human world of experiences without which our world of perception is incomplete. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.